The average American consumes more than 10 pounds of chocolate every year. So it's no wonder that an event in eastern Iowa is attracting many. Every year, on the first Saturday in June, Mount Vernon gears up for a chocolate lover's paradise. The Chocolate Stroll invites guests to saunter down the town's historic First Street, where participating businesses and chocolate vendors offer sweet treats for sample and sale.
We've been doing it now for 6 years, and it's a celebration of chocolate and music. Those are the two big anchors of the whole festival. And we have bands that come in and play, and then lots and lots of chocolate vendors that come in and offer chocolate. And then we also have children's activities, and this year we threw in a baking contest and also the showing of the original Willy Wonka movie from 1971. And so it's just all things chocolate and getting outside and enjoying a beautiful Iowa day.
Numerous chocolate vendors from within Mount Vernon and outside the town offer chocolate treats for visitors all day long. From shortbread to chocolate-covered raspberries to cupcakes to ice cream, there is no shortage of sweetness.
Today I made a chocolate chip shortbread, and I made a chocolate raspberry chip shortbread, and we always have chocolate chip shortbread. And then my daughter has made caramel-covered chocolate iced shortbread too, which is very good.
We are making chocolate beignets, triple chocolate beignets, and lemon ricotta beignets.
Make sure you get some whipped cream. There you go.
Oh my God, that's good.
It's a fried pastry, real common in New Orleans and Cajun cooking. We do our own little spin of it, our own Iowa version, where they'll do generally a plain yeast risen one. We're doing flavors, like our triple chocolate and our lemon. We do an apple, a pumpkin, and other seasonal ones.
Well, we do handmade chocolates and ice cream. We've been doing this for about 5 years. I use a lot of my husband, Farmer Dave's, fruits and a vegetable or two in the ice creams and some of the candies.
I found a very nice, delicious, high-quality dark chocolate because I'm a dark chocolate fan, and I fell in love with that one particular chocolate, so that's what I make most everything with.
Strolling and eating are a perfect combination for a fun-filled day. It allows visitors of all ages to indulge their sweet tooths while getting a little exercise at the same time. To add to the atmosphere, music fills the air as people go from shop to shop.
It's a great thing for Mount Vernon because it brings people into our fabulous town, shows off all that Mount Vernon has to offer. It's such a neat town, and it gets people into the shops. So yes, it's about the chocolate, it's about the music, but it's also getting people into the stores and seeing what Mount Vernon has to offer and getting to just spend a wonderful day here. Many of our visitors are from Mount Vernon, but a lot of our visitors come from surrounding areas. They heard about it from our advertising or from word of mouth and want to come check out Mount Vernon for the day.